Hello everyone, this is my review of the Little Giant ladder. This ladder is mostly aluminum and it has wheels on this version of the ladder. Makes it easy to move around. They have latches on there on the side here so you can extend and retract the ladder. It locks into each step so you can adjust it to multiple sides. And up here on the top, you can unlatch these latches so you can adjust it to different angles, 45, and you can extend it all the way out to a full vertical or horizontal angle if you need to. It is real stable when it's at this angle here. Let me show you that you can use the wheels. Just bring it back like this and you can roll it easily to where you need it to go. That's a pretty nice feature on this ladder. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of it extending. Now I extended it up evenly so you can see it locking in place up high. It can extend farther than this, but that's as far as I need to extend it for because I'm inside the garage. But it's a good ladder and I hope this review